In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a gamified Notion template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a ready-made gamified system in Notion's marketplace and add it to your own workspace so you can start tracking your goals, habits, or projects in a more fun and engaging way. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to install the template. At the left side of your screen, look for the option that takes you to the Notion marketplace. If you don't see it immediately, you can also go to the Notion website and find the marketplace from there. Click on Marketplace to open it. This is where creators share templates, tools, and integrations you can plug directly into your own setup. Once the marketplace page is loaded, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word Gamified. This will filter the marketplace to show templates that are specifically designed with game elements like points, levels, or rewards to help keep you motivated. After typing Gamified, you'll probably see a few featured results. Underneath or beside those, there should be an option that says something like See All, followed by a number such as See All 99. Go ahead and click on See All. This will expand the full list of gamified templates instead of just the first few suggestions, so you can browse more options and compare what might work best for you. Now that you're looking at the full list of gamified templates, take a moment to scroll through and choose one that matches your needs. Some might be focused on tasks and productivity, others on habit tracking, and some on broader life dashboards. When you find a template that looks promising, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can usually see a preview of the layout, a description, and a breakdown of how the system works. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the button that allows you to add it to your Notion workspace. This is often labeled Add, or something very similar. Click on that button to start importing the template. After you click Add, Notion will guide you with on-screen prompts. Simply follow these prompts to confirm which workspace you want to use and wait for the template to finish loading. When it opens, you can start customizing the pages, properties, and visuals to fit your personal workflow, and your gamified Notion template is ready to use.